All right, so I am with Shoniste and with her 2008-ish Jeep Liberty, I guess it is. Before we get kind of showing everything, please share with us your sort of life story.
I served in the Army for 7 years between Virginia and the Texas National Guard. And I also currently work for the Dallas Police Department with their crime scene unit, doing crimes in the Dallas area.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your service twice. And forgive the wind, everybody, but that's okay. So, all right, so I did your headlights. There were some areas that I just kept battling and it just could not, really come out. But honestly, you may not even notice it. But I think they turned out amazing. And so I do this for veterans and people that are on the front line that help us out. So it's a beautiful Sunday. And Shoniste, thank you for your service. And are you ready to see your headlight and your black trim fixer upper?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, this thing is on magnets because the wind isn't cooperating, but let's do this.
Oh, it's on magnets?
They are magnets. Are they cool? Here we go.
Oh no, that's so much better. They look the best. Oh yeah. It's really good. No way.
Way.
Yeah, no. My little baking soda technique was not doing that.
So you did, remind me again, you did baking soda and motor oil?
And
what?
somebody told me to use motor oil. Once you change your oil, use the old oil. Yeah, none of that works.
No, not really.
Come to Greg.
Come to Greg. Yes.
He's friendly, responsive, and very knowledgeable. Come to him for all your headlight needs.
Thank you. Thanks, sweetheart. All right, cool. All right, so there you go. Yeah, they look amazing, way better than before. They're going to be safer for you at night,
Yes.
obviously. They look better. You can see, there's a little bit of spots there that I couldn't get out. I just kept fighting it, and it just wouldn't really go anywhere.
No,
so
that looks much better. I don't care. Even if it looked a little bit better, that looks way better than how they looked before.
Yeah.
Girl!
And there's the friend. Say hello, friend. Does she know how bad your headlights looked?
No, I don't think she
Oh,
does.
you have to show them later. All right. Okay, so I also did your black trim using a product that I'm testing out as possible of offering it as a add-on service. So I did certain areas which I don't think the camera's going to pick up, but the main one will be the back by your back door. So let's go look at that. And
Oh, it looks so good. It was like gray. This was like gray.
yes.
And so were these. They were both kind of grayish before. Hopefully you had some pictures to show the people. But yeah, it definitely did not look like this.
No, it was faded and
Very much
it didn't
so.
stand out too much, but it was on its way to being ugly
Yeah,
looking.
pretty bad.
Yeah. All right. Well.
Thank you so much. You're great.
All right. Well, thank you. I'm assuming you're happy with everything.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Very, very happy.
Super. Well. All right. Well, I'm going to sign off. Thanks for humoring me, and we're out.